Oh, yeah, the clock, sis.
Created by a 13-year-old 3D animator. The Treasure of Emunah.
I'm spying on them.
Paws of Faith unfolds a captivating tale. Follow 3 courageous cats who stumble upon a clock in the basement, thrusting them into a time-traveling adventure. As a sneaky villain schemes to collect all the Bibles and weaken their faith, witness the extraordinary journey of these animated heroes. Experience faith, courage, and creativity in this unique 3D Christian cartoon. Stay tuned because episode 1 airs on all major platforms March the 17th, 2024. And I thank you all for your love and support.